This was a print of Summoning Circle from Thingiverse. I'll be using this to enhance one of my favorite games, Pandemic, Reign of Cthulhu. I'll go ahead and print 6 of these, one for each color city, and then 2 to be elder signs, just in case we get lucky enough to close the gate permanently. The prints came out pretty good. I did a 0.2 resolution with 40% infill to give them a little bit more weight. And then I painted them with acrylic paint, did a dark wash to kind of highlight the details, and then a white wash just to give them a little bit more color. And then I'm going to go ahead and paint them 4 different colors to match the cities. And then I'll paint 2 up for the elder signs. That way if I draw the elder sign card, I can use that. And then if we can fish the elder sign out of the discard deck, that gives us 2 permanently sealed gates. So that'll be awesome. I printed this on an Ender 3, and everything went pretty smooth. I mean, I just had 2 little outliers on the first print and just clipped those off, and everything went great. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks.